there guys, just thought I'd show you how to press a ceramic mug with the Vevor 5-in-1 press. As I mentioned in my other video, I didn't have my mug press heated up and connected, so I have now connected it. So this is the press that you actually get with this machine, and you adjust. I won't be touching it too much here because I'm heating it up ready to go. It actually is heated, ready to press some mugs. I have done some mugs over there. So this is the knob that you loosen and tighten to tighten your the pressure on the mug that you put in here. So if you were doing a an enamel mug, which is slightly smaller than my this 11-ounce mug, you can tighten this knob to make this tighter so it will fit nice and snug around your mug to sublimate onto your mug. So having said that, there's two connections that are located here for the mug press. This side you don't need to worry about at this point in time. That's already connected, and the one underneath is already connected, so you just need to connect it to the back of your heat press. So the thinner one just plugs in to this area here, and the thicker one plugs in and into this hole here, and you just screw that in. Already turned on my heat press, so when your mug press is connected via here, this part of your machine doesn't heat up because you're not using your heat press, you're using the mug press which you've connected. Okay, so if we go back here to the heat press, I've already heated this up, and I've heated it up to 180 degrees. Now that's Australian, as mentioned before. If you're overseas, you'll have to look at the conversion for that. I think it's around 360 Fahrenheit, but yeah, you'll just have to check that. And then, so this again here is your adjustment for your heat and time. So I've already adjusted this, so I've put the heat on 180 degrees, and also the seconds, or the timing for these mugs, is 180 seconds. I'm going to be doing this just white mug. So the first thing you need to do is grab your mug and grab a microfiber cloth. I've already wiped over this mug just to get any bits of lint or fingerprints and oil, anything off there like that. Make sure you have a heat glove because the mugs get very hot after you've taken them out of your press. Now I actually have a design here ready to go, and it's one that I've created, and it says Crazy Plant Lady. So it's a wraparound design, this one. So I will just change camera angles and I'll come back to you shortly. My design, and I will wrap it around the mug, and I'll just sort of get it basically in the middle of the handle and either side. And I cut my design the same height as the mug, which makes it easier to place, onto the mug. I'm going to tape a little bit of heat resistant tape this side, and just take your time doing this because the mug is quite slippery and you don't want it to slip off. Okay, so once you've got that taped, now we're going to put it into the heat press for 180 seconds. So just slide it in and get it in the centre somewhere there and close it up. Time's nearly up, guys. There we go. Pull that right back. Be very careful with this because it is very hot. So I just use my nail and I just try and grab the edge and then just slowly peel that around. Cool. And then we go. There's the front and the back. I'll bring it a bit closer so you can see. What's it there? Crazy plant lady, that's me. There you go, that's how you use the mug press attachment for the Vevor heat press.